Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Now this week I got a treat for you. It's in the cheese family, it's like a cheesecake, but I switched a few things to make it more palatable to people who have what you call pre-diabetes conditions. First of all, I substituted the sugar with Stevia, and I substituted cream cheese with ricotta cheese. These are things to make it easier for a diabetic or pre-diabetic to consume without concern about raising your blood sugar. So, come follow me along in this video. I'll show you how we did this.
My God, what did you eat?
Okay, we're going to start with 4 eggs. Crack them open, remove the egg yolks and put them in a separate bowl. Put the egg whites into its own separate bowl. Clean it up a little bit. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of stevia, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to whip the egg whites up until you have nice stiff peaks. There you go, folks. How's that look? Looking good so far. Set that aside. Now we got the egg yolks. Whip that up a little bit. We're going to add 2/3 of a cup of stevia now to the egg yolks. Blend that up, mix it up a little bit. Now we're going to add 8 tablespoons of melted butter to the mixture. Mix that up. We're going to squeeze the juice from half of a lemon into the mixture. Mix that up. And now 3 cups of ricotta cheese. This is the ricotta cheese. You use this in lieu of cream cheese. It's a little bit better for your pre-diabetics. Now we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of milk. And we're going to slowly add a half a cup of cornstarch. Now I didn't have cornstarch, I used flour, and it works pretty good to help stiffen the mix up. If you have cornstarch, you're better off with cornstarch. There we go, almost done. And that's about the final of it. And clean the sides off. Give it a final mix. And now we're going to fold in the egg whites into the mixture. You fold that in until it's nice and smooth. Now we go to the 10-inch spring pan. I recommend parchment paper for the bottom of the pan. I used wax paper because I did not have parchment paper. And it worked, but I thoroughly recommend parchment paper. I think it's better for the job at hand. Now you're going to butter the sides of the springform pan. Pour that mixture into the springform pan and into the oven at 350 degrees for 1.5 hours. And then I left it in the oven after I shut it off for an additional ½ hour with the oven door open. Now we're going to cut the cake away from the sides. Remove the springform. Look at this, folks. Can you taste it yet? I know I can. Oh yeah. Pretty good. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And always remember to thank our Creator, from whom all blessings flow. To God be the glory.